Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Nissan Titan. The power steering fluid reservoir is found in the passenger side of the engine bay. The level markers are fairly visible on the side of the reservoir, and you won't have to make a long reach when removing the cap to add fluid. The battery is located in the front of the passenger side of the engine bay. With non-remote terminals and a bracket that lies right on top, jump-starting or replacing the battery should be very easy to do. The engine air filter is in the driver's side of the engine bay. The fasteners that secure the housing disengage without the use of tools, allowing you to then pry up the cover and access the filter. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You must go through the wheel well in order to access all of the headlights. A Phillips head screwdriver and a rivet popper will be necessary to disengage the wheel well lining first, which may prove rigid to pry back and only offer a cramped reach in for the bulbs. A Phillips head screwdriver must also be used to disconnect the glove box housing for access to the cabin air filter. This housing will be bulky and cumbersome to remove and won't allow for quick or reliable filter changes. The spare tire is stored underneath the vehicle and must be lowered via the jack extension in the bumper hole. This is an unintuitive design, as the spare could become rusted to the undercarriage and be rendered inaccessible in the event you'll need to service a flat. Overall, the 2018 Nissan Titan is a somewhat difficult truck to maintain, and would be better suited for those prospective owners with prior knowledge of vehicle maintenance.